Role, assistant, reasoning underscore content. We need to write a short true crime script 150 to 200 words. 60 से 90 seconds length. Requires 150 से 200 words. Start with shocking hook in first 3 seconds. Use section markers. End with a question that forces viewers to comment. Keep sentences short and punchy for TTS. Use only real well-known cases. In NV can choose the Yorkshire Ripper, Peter Sutcliffe, or Jack the Ripper is classic. Or the Zodiac Killer. Or Killer in the Kitchen, Danny Thomas, not sure. The topic the right you've never heard of may be referencing the writing as in The Victim's Mission. But it's a title. But we should incorporate the script to mention shocking investigation, the right you've never heard of. Use that as a hook phrase. The first 3 seconds should be a shock. Something like he left a message, and the detectives never knew how to read it. That hook. In news. NV must adhere to real well-known cases. Could be about the case of the poisoned mail, the Modric, etc. Or the fluttering paper case. In NV might choose the tape case, the 9th hour tape case. Or the Zodiac Killer used cryptic letters to communicate. That fits right, especially the case known as the Zodiac Killer's ciphers. The script could start with shock. He sent messages to the press in code, and the dead men still suffer, etc. In NV need to keep sentences short, punchy. After hook, section markers, then interrogate. At the end, ask a question. Who was the first to crack the code? And do you think we would know the killer's identity now? Etc. An N-word count 150 to 200. Let's aim 170 words. N let's write NN. First 3 seconds. In we need to incorporate the hook into the script. Short sentences. In let's outline. NN 8 se 10 words. He sent coded letters to reporters. No one could solve them. That is a shock. In and then maybe. The Zodiac Killer hid truth in cryptograms. OK. In and then. Describing Zodiac letters, murders, years. In conclusion summarizing. We still don't know who. The code remains partially unsolved. In end with question. Who do you think is behind the script? Tell us below. In NV need 150 se 200 words. Short sentences, TTS friendly. So use no big words. But OK. In let's write. In he sent unsolved letters to the press. Detective team stare, baffled. In NV should keep sentences short. In NV way to keep at 150 se 200 words. In let's write full script. In he sent unsolved letters to the press. CODWRAPPED. Victims died, clues stayed hidden. The mystery is alive. In the 1960s, an unseen killer murdered at least 5 men in Northern California. He posted letters to newspapers, scrawling cryptograms and threatening threats. The infamous ZLETTRs were cracked by a 6th grade student named John. He solved a 5-line cipher and called the police, but the killer never surrendered. The coded messages span 37 pages. Some were solved, others remain unsolved, stumping scholars. The Zodiac's identity is debated. Charles Schmid, Arthur Leigh Allen, or someone else entirely. The FBI has CHARTABLES, digraphs, and alien symbols. The case grew into POPCULTURE. The FBI claims no progress in 2017, but new technology keeps digging. The truth eludes everyone. NN. Is the killer's face forever hidden? Or is the code the key to closure? The number one mystery: who was the Zodiac Killer? Let us know in the comments and follow for more TWISTINTHETLE. NN very sentences shorter. Word count. Let's count approximate dot and let's count roughly. Write each sentence word count dot n. He sent unsolved letters to the press. CODWRAPPD dot. No, and victims died. Clues stayed hidden dot. 5. And the mystery is alive dot. 4. N thats 18 dot n in the 1960s. An unseen killer murdered at least 5 men in Northern California. 20. And he posted letters to newspapers, scrawling cryptograms and threatening threats. 13. And the infamous ZLETTRS were cracked by a 6th grade student named John. 14. And he solved a 5 line cipher and called the police, but the killer never surrendered. 18. And the coded messages span 37 pages. 5. And some were solved, others remain unsolved, stumping scholars. 13. And the Zodiac's identity is debated. Charles Schmid, Arthur Leigh Allen, or someone else entirely. 19. And the FBI has CHARTABLES, digraphs, and alien symbols. 12. And the case grew into POPCULTURE. 6. And the FBI claims no progress in 2017. But new technology keeps digging. 15. And the truth eludes everyone. 4. And in total in roughly 20 plus 13 plus 14 plus 18 plus 5 plus 13 plus 19 plus 12 plus 6 plus 15 plus 4 137. Add. Wait, we counted. Let's sum. 20 plus 13 33 plus 14 47 plus 18 65 plus 5 70 plus 13 83 plus 19 102 plus 12 114 plus 6 120 plus 15 135 plus 4 139. So 139 words. N is the killer's face forever hidden. 8. N or is the code the key to closure? 8. And the number 1 mystery. Who was the Zodiac killer? Thus. And let us know in the comments and follow for more TWISTINTHETLE. 14. N Ensim. 8 plus 8 16 plus 10 26 plus 14 40. So 40 words. In total words. 18 plus 139 plus 40 197 words. Good within 150 200. In need to ensure 60 से 90 seconds. With short sentences, should take about 60 to 90 seconds. Good. And we should add final question to prompt comment. Already have let us know in the comments. Good. And but requirement, end with a question that forces viewers to comment. Our final phrase includes let us know in the comments. But it's a statement. The requirement says question. Could be who do you think is behind the Zodiac code? Let me know. That ends with a question. Let's change final. So we need final question. Who do you think was the Zodiac killer? Let me know below, but that's also statement. Let's ensure last line ends with question, not statement. And so final sentence. Who do you think was the Zodiac killer? Leave a comment below, but that's 2 sentences. Second is statement. They want last line a question prompting comment. So phrase last sentence as question. Who? Tool_calls.